The other one, which is the one I like to spend a little bit more time on, is called the BigQuery connection. So you might want to, like, BigQuery connection sounds a little bit more technical. So what does it really mean? So BigQuery is actually a sub-product for Google Cloud Platform called Google GCP. So it's essentially a cloud database offered by Google. And then what's cool about it is you can literally export all the raw data in Google Analytics 4 to this BigQuery connection. And then, so a typical use case we are hearing from the dealership customer is they believe they are owning all the data that the user coming to their website, which definitely so. And then, but they had a hard time when they, for example, they were switching vendor, and then they want to switch Google Analytics property. They had a hard time actually download the data because Google Analytics, Universal Analytics, does not offer that feature. But using the BigQuery connection, every single raw hit without being processed can be exported into this Google BigQuery connection, BigQuery cloud database. And for like advanced dealer group customer, you can actually join the table in BigQuery with your own, say, CRM data to do advanced attribution. So those all become a possibility. And before that, it was just not possible.
Some major reporting. So for those who just are your regular data studio report or something like that, we're definitely going to have at the end of the call to share the Automotive Standards Council Looker Studio report in full. And you can download a copy yourself so you can have that data, because I think a lot of people on the call, well, I think there's some that'll do BigQuery, but there's a lot on the call who definitely would kind of want the data studio-ish type of report. But we have both here. That's why Tom and I are both here to represent.